Welcome to JW Korea TV. This video is for the people who have already studied Hangul but still struggling with reading Korean. Please watch the basic consonant video first and then watch this video. This is a practice video helping you to remember how to read Hangul. Now, are you ready to start? The first vowel is A. A. This is similar to A in power and house.
가다 가다 달
Number 2. O. This is similar to O in pub and her.
먹다 엄마
Number 3. O. O is similar to O in solo and polite.
보다 포도
Number 4. U. U is similar to the sound in pool and cartoon.
울다 부모
Number 5. U. U sound is similar in seven and people.
들다 그릇
Number 6. E. E is similar to the sound in review and teeth.
밀다 기린
Number 7. E. E is similar to can and hand.
매다 해
Number 8. E. This E sound is similar to 10 and sit.
세다 개
Number 9. U. U sound is similar to the first part of 20. U.
외우다 뇌
Number 10. We. We is similar to the first part of wish and whisper.
튀다 위
Number 11. Ya. Ya is similar to the sound in yacht.
얕보다 야구
Number 12. Yo. Yo is similar to the sound in young.
여기다 여자
Number 13. Yo. This is similar to yogurt.
요리하다 교수
Number 14. You. You is similar to you and youth.
유지하다 우유
Number 15. Yeah. This sound is same as the first part of yes.
얘기
Number 16. Yeah. Yeah is similar to the sound yell.
예쁜 예쁜 예 예.
Number 17. Wa. Wa has a sound similar to the beginning of Y and what?
과학 과학 과일 과일.
Number 18. We. We has the sound similar to the beginning of whale.
왜 돼지 돼지.
Number 19. Wa. Wa is similar to wash.
원하다 원하다. 원숭이 원숭이.
Number 20. We. We has the similar sound to western.
웹툰 웹툰. 퇴
Number 21. Ui. For ui, I couldn't find the same sound in English word. If you know any English words that sound similar to ui, please leave on the comments.
의지하다 의지하다. 의사 의사.
Thanks for watching my video and see you next time.